Hey there! If you're thinking about getting dental implants, I know it can feel like a big decision. There are lots of unknowns, and let's be honest, dental work can be expensive, but don't worry. Here at Trinon Clinic, we're committed to making this process as smooth and comfortable as possible for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide to your dental implant journey so you know exactly what to expect and can make the best decision for your dental health. Let's jump right in. Step 1, the consultation. The first step in your journey is the consultation. This is the most essential part of the process because it allows you to sit with one of our experts and discuss your dental goals. Whether you need to replace a single tooth or are considering all-on-4 implants, our Trinon Clinic team will help you determine the best treatment plan for you. And here's something that makes it easy. We offer virtual consultations. That means if you can't come to the clinic right away, you can still get all the information you need from your home. We know traveling just for an initial consultation can be costly, so this is a great option to get started. Step 2, travel arrangements. Once you've consulted and decided on a plan, it's time to make travel arrangements to visit us here in the Dominican Republic. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Our team will help you book flights, find the best hotel deals, and arrange transportation. We know all the best spots in Santo Domingo, so we'll ensure your stay is as comfortable and stress-free as possible. Step 3, in-person consultation and planning. Now, when you arrive at Trinon Clinic, we'll take things a step further. This is where we'll get into the nitty-gritty of your treatment plan. We'll take x-rays and create a 3D model of your mouth to get a clear idea of your oral health. From there, we'll finalize the plan and walk you through every step of the procedure. You'll know exactly what to expect and what the outcomes will look like. Step 4, the surgical procedure. This is the big day, the surgery. Don't worry though, you'll either be under anesthesia or sedation, so you'll be completely comfortable. We'll place the titanium implants into your jawbone, and depending on the procedure, you might need just a few implants or more. But here's the significant part. Right after surgery, we'll attach a temporary denture so you can go out and enjoy your vacation with confidence, even while you are healing. Step 5, healing and recovery. After the implants are placed, your body needs time to heal. This is when the implants will fuse with your jawbone, creating a strong foundation for your new teeth. This process can take a few months, so patience is key here. But don't worry, Trinon Clinic will be with you every step of the way. We'll schedule follow-up visits to make sure everything is healing properly, and we're always here to answer any questions or concerns you may have. Step 6, the final restoration. And finally, the most exciting part, your permanent teeth. Once the implants have fully healed, you'll come back for the final restoration. We'll replace the temporary dentures with your custom-made permanent set of teeth designed just for you. We'll make any necessary adjustments to ensure the most comfortable fit and give you that natural, brilliant smile you've been waiting for. And that's it, your dental implant journey, step by step. At Trinon Clinic, we pride ourselves on offering world-class dental care in the beautiful Dominican Republic while helping you save on costs. If you're ready to start your journey toward a healthier, more confident smile, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to Trinon Clinic soon.